All right, guys. Well, I was terribly mean yesterday with your 5-minute plank, so I promise no planks today. This whole series will be done on our back. Welcome to day 6. Please lay down in 3, 2, 1. Exhale your arms over your head for me. You're going to reach straight up to the sky, and then you're going to reach forward to lower down. Good. 4 more. Reach overhead. Reach straight up to the sky. Reach forward to lower down. Last 3. Reach, 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 lower. Good. Keep it up. Extend your arms. Reach forward. Good. Lower. I think we have 2 more maybe. Come all the way up. Forward. Good. And then 1 more. Reach, reach. Good. Stay right here in your boat. Exhale, interlace your fingers. Index fingers are forward. You're going to rotate to the right. Lower down a little bit. Come back up. Rotate to the left. Lower down a little bit. Come back up. Good. Now twice to the right. 1. Add a little pulse. 2. Come back up. Rotate left. Same thing. Hold 1. Pulse for 2. 3 times to the right. Center. Exhale. Go right. You have 3. 2, 1, come up. Go left, you have 3, 2, 1. Now we go a little faster, but we just go singles. So we go right, left, right, left. If you really want more, pick up your feet. If you don't want more, don't pick up your feet. 1 more right. Good. 1 more left. Perfect. Hold here. Pick up your feet. 3. Lay on your back in 2. Exhale. Lower down on 1. Press your feet straight up into the air. Reach your feet all the way up to the sky. Flex them. Good. Lay your hands down next to you. Lower your legs down towards the ground. Pull your knees into your tummy. Straight back up. 4 more. Lower. Pull them in slow. Straight back up. Lower. Pull them in slow. Whew. Straight back up. 3 more. Lower. Pull it in slow. Press back up. Lower. Pull it in slow. Last rep. Lower. Pull it in slow. Press back up. Bend your knees at 90. Hands behind your head. Bicycle. Reach and twist. Reach and twist. Good. You're rotating side to side. You're past that halfway marker. So just keep moving with me. Keep feeling your work and noticing your effort. 8, 7, 6. Almost less than 2 minutes to go in 5, 4, 3, 2. Give me 1 more each side. Perfect. Now, big rock back to seated. And again, returning to your boat. Pick up your feet this time. Good. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Extend your arms forward. 10, 9. Bring that chest up, 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 up. Hold this. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to lower all the way down. Hold it. Hover. Come all the way up. If you need to, use your hands. Lower down. Come up, or even use your hands here. You can pull in as you go down, and you can pull your body right back up. 4 more. 4. Good. 3. Squeeze. 2. Pull. Last rep. 1. Bring it up. Good. Again, onto your back. Feet in the air. Inhale. Hands by your sides. Lower down slow. Exhale, knees to chest, push up. 4 more, lower down slow. Exhale, knees to chest. 3 more, lower down slow. Exhale, knees to chest. Last 2, lower down slow, knees to chest. Good, last rep, lower down slow, knees to chest. Hands behind your head, we have bicycles. Final 30 seconds right here as we finish this side to side. So your goal is to kick your legs all the way out in front of you. But if that's too hard, you can also just work with your knees bent, and you can work on the rotation, okay? You do you. Let's finish this out. We're almost there. Good job, good job. Good. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hug it in tight. Nice work, guys. Beautiful job today. No planks, I promise, but don't worry, they'll be back tomorrow for day 7. Nice work. See you then.